Y'all know about those. Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are coming at you live from San Jose, California yet again. And I'm going to show you guys how to install the Kuryakyn Sound Thunder. I'm not sure what it's called. Anyways, I already routed the wire. As you guys can see, it's this big, thick MF right there. And that runs all the way up here. And then if you're looking at it from right here, you guys can see there she is. There's the cable. So there's a lot of questions about where do I connect the orange cable. All right, so you have a few different available locations. All right, you can wire it to your tail light, to your license plate light, which is this one right here on your Sportster. It's the red with yellow. And you could also clamp it onto your running light, which is on your signal light, and it's this one right here. It's the blue one. That's the running light. And that one, of course, if you're looking at it from this angle, 1 2 3, you count 3 from over here. 1 2 1 2 3. If you count 1 2 3, blue one, 1 2 3, and it's this other blue one. So this is your running light. All right, so you can either connect it from there, or you can connect it from here. Either or, they both work. So this is a pretty easy install, guys. So I'm going to use this one right over here. Oh yeah, this is going to be tough. I gotta switch over to the chest mount. So we're going to just put that in there. Easy as that. Of course, I think I'm going to want to aim it upwards. I don't know, maybe sideways. I think sideways, right? That way I could connect this like this to the side. Alright, so that's in there. Obviously, man, get yourself some working pliers. These things are rusted and they gotta get repaired. So yeah, so let's go ahead and hook that up in there. And that's our, so we're gonna do that. And then of course we are going to have to connect the power to the battery, and then our ground. I'll just ground it right here. Went ahead and just put this sucker right in there. But here we go. So we have that power in there connected. Of course, make sure you tuck in all your lines. I have not tightened this yet, so let's go ahead and do that. Of course, we can try to cover this up as much as we can. Make sure all your lines are not getting pinched when you put the seat back on. Alright, so now we're all connected. Fuses are in. I should be able to hook up the Thunder. I'm not going to show you guys how to install that. You know, you guys should be able to figure that out. But let's go ahead and throw the sound bar on there, and then let's give it a listen. Alright, so to install these guys for your bars, you can go ahead and use this little film provided by Kuryakyn, and this should not scratch your bars, but this is way too thick for this one. So alright, part 2, let's see, how about this one? Go ahead and put these over like so, and oh, that's really tight. I think that's the one we're looking for. Yeah, that's really tight. Sorry, the camera's not wow, there we go. So that's in there like so. This is 1 1/8. Is this the right size? Try these ones. 3rd time's a charm. Let's see. That's really tight. I know it'll fit over here. Can I just slide it down over there? Let's see. These feel a little loose, but I think these are the ones. Yeah, I believe that's the right one. Alright, so we put those in there. Let me grab the other one. Alright, here's a rough markup of how this is gonna sit. This cable seems like I'm gonna have to angle move the wires. I thought I'd be able to kind of keep it underneath the bars. Maybe I'll flip them on the inside, kind of like the Plex audio, and just have them on the other side of the risers. I don't have to worry about this cable sticking out. I'm not liking how that looks. Or I could probably move them upwards. I don't know. I'm still, you know, nothing's completely tight. I could just still take this off and then just slide it behind the risers. Big deal. But let's go ahead and turn the bike on. As you can see, the lights are now on. I haven't set up anything. Let me see. Let me get my phone out. Let me see if I can set this up. Here, I think I got some music here for you guys to listen to. So let's see if this works. It's got some funny sound to it. Don't know what that is. Can you guys hear it? Maybe it's the... Here, let me try some real music. It's got a little bit of a crackling noise. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's got the volume, pause, mute, play. So not like the Plex audio where you don't have those controls. You would actually have to pay like another $100 to get that Bluetooth controller. You have a USB port over here on the side. That's pretty cool. Power button. It's not it's loud, it's just, you know, it doesn't sound the same as the Plex audio. There seems to be like some kind of interference that I'm listening to. It's just, I don't know, maybe it's just I'm used to the Plex audio. It's really clear, it's really crisp. I mean, this makes the sound of, for sure, but I don't think it's as loud as Plex, and it's not as clear as Plex audio. But I mean, that's up to you guys. If you guys want to spend the extra, what is it, an extra what, $600 on the Plex audio? I mean, I have Plex audio on my other bike. Let me just listen to this a little bit louder. Let me see how this thing sounds with Max. You know what, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna listen to some non-copyright music, and then I'll let you guys know you know, how it sounds in a follow-up review. All right, so you guys just stay out there, stay safe. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't know if I should show you guys anything else. There's that orange wire that everybody's wondering about. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. And there's a ground right there. Like I mentioned, it's working. All right, you turn it on, the stereo turns on. So you guys stay out there, stay safe. Third sign off. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.